awake? Huh? You should be asleep. You should be asleep. What you doing awake? What you doing awake, my little chiflada? What you doing awake, chiflada? What you doing? What's that thing right there? What's that thing right there? That's my little buddy. That's my little buddy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You should be asleep. You should be asleep. You should be asleep. Can I get that little belly button? Can I get that little belly button? Can I get the little belly button? Yeah. She should be asleep. So funny. You should be asleep. Can I get some of that little tummic? Can I get some of that tummic? Can I get some of that tummic right there? That tummic. The little buddy.
So she just stared at you. Say yes, Dad.
You should be asleep. You should be asleep. What's Daddy supposed to do with you? Huh? You should be asleep. Yes, you should be asleep. And no, look at you. You're playing with your little patitos.
Patitos. Patitos.
You're playing with your little patitos. Little patas. Oh, you think
Is
that's
Daddy
funny?
making you laugh?
You think that's
Is Daddy
funny?
making you laugh?
You think that's funny? You think that's funny? You think that's funny? You think that's funny?
Is Daddy making you laugh, Eva?
You think that's funny? 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 Huh? You think that's so funny, don't you? You think that's funny? You think that's funny? You think that's funny? You think that's funny?
I can't wait till she giggles out loud.
I know.
When you think about her smiling, when do you think of her first laugh out loud? Do you have a thought about that?
When do I think?
Yeah, when do you think about her first laughing out loud?
I think it's gonna come from the gut.
No, I think it's
gonna be. What are you doing? What are you doing?
So Viva's setting up on her own now. But I think of that flight on the way to South Dakota where she laughed.
Gosh, yeah, from the gut.
Viva, turn around.
From South Dakota. It was
Yeah.
like she was high on the elevation or
Yes.
something.
Viva, our little diva.
Viva souls, viva souls.
Okay, I'll sign us off for now.
Love you, honey. Thank you.
Love you too. She's like, I want attention.
Okay, this one goes. You should be asleep.
Okay, adios.